All right, guys. So, like I mentioned, we have our conferences next week. Because of COVID, things are going to look a little bit different this year. We're not opening up conferences to the whole entire parent population, only just to parents that have appointments, and then also for virtual. So, I'm going to show you how to do that and to schedule appointments in Google Calendar. So, if I go up to the options and I go down to my calendar, over on the left side here, I'm going to scroll over to February. So our conferences are held on February 4th. So I'm going to create a new event, and I'm going to call this event conferences. And let me spell it right first. So after I've done this, I can come over here to appointment slots, and I can change the date in which it starts, which I don't want to, and I can change the time. So we start at 3:30 p.m. and our conferences go till 7 p.m. Now, this says February 4th to February 5th, so I'll come over here and I'll change this to the same day. Now, this is going to ask you if you want to do a single slot or slots with a duration. So this could be just a single slot if you're just doing it once, or in my case, I want parents to sign up for specific slots. I'm going to say slots with duration, and I'm going to make these 10-minute slots. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to populate 10-minute slots between these time periods for me. Now, I can come down here and I can ask, or I can choose what calendar I put this on. I can put this on the SCMS 8th grade science or just my personal one. And I'll push save. So when you push save, if you click on your event here and you click on the one that says go to appointment page, this is what you'll see. Now, if I toggle over, I will see on Thursday, February 4th, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 721 spots open. So if I was to send this out to all of my parents, the parents could come in here and they could click on this spot here from 4:30 to 4:40. They could put the destination or where they want to go, and then also the description. If they didn't want to do that, they could just push save. And as you can see, that appointment's been saved right there. Now, because I'm still logged into mine, what that's going to look like is it's going to come here. This is what the parents will see, or the student or whoever is making the appointment. They will see this. So they will say conferences with me. This is the organizer. And then this is all the details here. Okay. So if I'm going to go back in here, going back just one step, if I've created my conferences or I've created my slots here, what I can do now is I can come here to email guests. And if I had a list of parents or students or whoever it may be, I could copy and paste those in there. And then I can send the message there and then send that off to them. So another way I can share this appointment with lots of different people, other than just doing this, is if I click on the go to appointment page, and I find here, this link here, this URL will take them specifically to this page. Now, all they're going to see is this event right here because that's all they have on this page. So if I wanted to copy and paste this in Google Classroom or Canvas or send this out as an email, that's certainly an option as well. Now, if I want to, what I can do here is I can click on the original appointment that I made and I can click edit. Now, there's a couple different options in here that I didn't look at before, I wasn't a part of before. So these are the options that we saw before. You can also have this as a repeating or recurring thing. So if you had office hours that were every day or every week or every month, you could do that. You could have it repeat daily, so students could sign up there. You could have it repeat weekly or monthly or annually, or you can have a custom here. What you can also do is you can search for rooms. Now, this is specific to our district. Our district has specific rooms that you can look at and you can book.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. Jensen. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and think about subscribing.